Looking for the perfect small flat-screen phone that balances style and power? Let's cut to the chase. After testing and comparing, Vivo still takes the crown. The S30 series redefines what a compact phone can do, packing flagship features into a vibrant, pocket-friendly design. Before we dive deeper, make sure you're subscribed and hit that like button. It helps us keep bringing you the freshest tech insights. Vivo's S series has always stood out for its refreshing aesthetics, and the S30 lineup is no exception. This isn't just another phone, it's a statement. With bold colors and a sleek profile, it's designed to turn heads while delivering serious performance. Whether you're scrolling, snapping photos, or gaming, this phone keeps up without breaking a sweat. Let's talk size. The S30 Pro Mini I'm holding feels like a dream for small-screen lovers. At under 8mm thick, it's shockingly slim yet sturdy. Don't mistake mini for basic, though it rocks a spacious 6. 31-inch display that's perfect for binge-watching or multitasking. The bezels? Practically invisible. The screen-to-body ratio? Chef's kiss. Up in the top left corner, you'll find a camera module that's tiny but mighty. Vivo kept it compact so it doesn't hog the phone's real estate, but still packs sharp lenses for crisp shots. It's proof that good things come in small packages, no bulky camera bumps here. Ever had your hand cramp during a marathon texting session? The S30 Pro Mini's 1-to-1 weight balance solves that. It sits perfectly in your palm, feeling light but premium. Even after hours of use, your grip stays comfy, no pinky fatigue. Color options? Vivo went all out. There are 5 finishes, but this mint green version is my favorite. The aerospace-grade aluminum frame pairs with AG frosted glass that feels like silk. It's subtle enough for professionals but playful enough to match your vibe. If you're into bold statements, check out the cool berry pink and lemon yellow models. These two-tone designs pop with personality, perfect for standing out in a sea of boring smartphones. Vivo's playing with color in a way that feels fresh, not childish. Now, the standard S30 version deserves love too. It's slightly larger at 6.67 inches but still impressively thin and light. That dopamine-boosting color palette? Absolute eye candy. It's like carrying a sunset or a tropical drink in your pocket. Who's this phone for? If you're a style-conscious user who refuses to compromise on specs, this is your match. It's ideal for students, creatives, or anyone who wants tech that feels personal. And yes, it's especially great for smaller hands, no more stretching your thumb across a giant screen. So, is the Vivo S30 series the ultimate small-screen phone? If you're ready to upgrade, this phone's a no-brainer. Drop a comment if you want a deep dive on camera performance. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button.